When I knew that my combination was to be rolling with me, I was the one who initiated the relationship. Assuming the identity as a girl, I was taught from a young age how to look pretty and delightful. Appearance was always the top priority. Therein lies the problem because I am fat, and my eyes differ in sizes. My nose is really flat, and my hair is as messy as pubic hair. Worse still, I started balding from a young age. I also picked up the bad habit of biting nails from a very young age. My mother used to say to me, "If you continue a bad habit, I wonder how your future bridegroom will value you when he notices your purple nose." Only now do I understand that my bad habit is a manifestation of children dealing with pressure. Even as a child, I also developed the gripping ear that I would not be able to get married. In my class, I was not the only fat kid. There were others. I remember one of my teachers often traced the ear of a particular fat boy and says to him, "Even though you are fat, but can you at least try to behave like her? She is fat, but at least she is well behaved." Listening to that conversation, instinctively I knew in my heart, the only way I can be accepted, despite the unattractiveness, is as well behaved, and thus as likable as possible. It was the only way. I am probably one of the few people available who can conduct a training session in Mandarin within my profession. But when I first started exploring the concept of a creator or God, I often asked why I was never consulted whether to be born or not. I don't have reason to exist. I feel like I'm wasted of air. I exist, but I'm not alive. Very much like a photon. I want to disappear. So much, but I feel my heartbeat all day long. I wonder why won't it just stop? I find that I can't accept mistakes in my work. I feel the tension build. I cannot work because I'm afraid I cannot work. The tension multiplies and intensifies. Work seems to be the only redemption. The only way I can prove my self-worth. Therefore, when I submitted the resignation letter, I cried like a child. Nothing seemed to make sense anymore. The only thing was clear for me that I wanted to resign because all I wanted to do was to go back home and sleep. When I lay on my bed every day, I look at the moon from the one side of my window to another. I seem to be reminded on a daily basis that I'm almost can't achieve an easy goal. Sleep. It is inside. It is torture. I try to think more positively as I have more time. I try to read books, but every single word is jumping in front of me and laughing at me. I try to smile at myself in front of the mirror, but I hate the reflection in the mirror. I love it so much.